Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about GameSir's X2s Type-C mobile gaming controller. So friend, GameSir is thrilled to unveil its latest product, the X2s Type-C mobile gaming controller. With Hall effect sticks and triggers, this innovative controller ensures ultimate accuracy and precision, eliminating stick drift and extending button lifespan. You can immerse themselves in AAA games anytime, anywhere, and it gives a console-like gaming adventure with a seamless connection. The GameSir X2s Type-C mobile controller is now available for purchase for 45.99 USD dollar from Amazon. And friend, cable chows and disconnects can be totally avoided due to cutting-edge movable Type-C port guaranteeing a reliable connection and unmatched smoothness, so you can simply plug into the gaming universe with unwavering confidence. And precision and durability are the hallmark of the X2s Type-C's Hall Tech features, and the Hall effect sensing sticks provide 360-degree seamless pinpoint control, offering a precision and durability demanded by mobile gamers. Anti-friction glide rings ensure super smooth stick control, minimizing stick grinding and extending usage time. And friend, the exclusive turbo function of the X2s enables faster freeing without latency, so you can gain a competitive edge. And the Capture Plus A, B, X, Y, LB, RB, LD, RT buttons put control into the user's hand, while the micro switch design of the LB and RB button provide a e-sport mechanical feel. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.